The third-generation Toyota Tundra is one seriously capable towing machine. This is thanks not only to its enormously powerful new powertrains and high-strength construction, but also a wide range of advanced next-gen technologies. Key among these is the available Trailer Backup Guide system. This incredible feature is designed to make it easier than ever to reverse with a trailer attached. Let's learn what it does and how to use it. First, make sure you've registered your trailer in Tundra's new Trailer Garage system, which enables you to input and save your trailers so their specs can be easily loaded when attached. For more information on this process, be sure to watch the Trailer Garage video in this series. Once registered, let's go ahead and calibrate the Trailer Backup Guide system for use. Tundra's high-tech camera systems make this process as simple as the feature itself, but you will need a bit of open space, so it's recommended to do this in a parking lot or similar area. To start, switch on the system by pressing the button on the center console. The MID will ask if you'd like to proceed with the current trailer, so go ahead and select Continue. The system will now proceed through a series of 6 easy steps, as shown on both the MID and central touchscreen display. First, simply drive straight forward slowly. After a moment, it will ask you to come to a stop. Now it'll ask you to check the camera view on the touchscreen display to see if the blue line is aligned with the trailer. If everything checks out, select Yes. Next, you'll need to drive forward slowly again, but this time make a sharp turn to either the left or the right. Once the turn is completed, drive straight forward again once more, until the trailer straightens back out. Now stop the vehicle once more and give the system a moment to finish its calibration. You should now see a message saying that the setup is complete, and you may shift into reverse to use the system when you're ready. Now this is where the fun begins. Anyone who's ever had to back up with a trailer knows it can be a headache to get things to go where you want them. But with Trailer Backup Guide, that headache is no more. This new system has 2 modes, a guidance mode and a straight path assist mode. The default mode is guidance mode, and this will activate when the system is turned on and the vehicle is in reverse. In guidance mode, the system will overlay arrows onto the overview camera view to indicate which way the trailer is turning, making it easy to make corrections yourself. This is important because steering with a trailer can be pretty counterintuitive if you're not experienced with the process. But the real party trick is straight path assist. Simply tap the toggle on the touchscreen display to activate it. Now, all you have to do is control the gas and brakes, and the system will handle all of the steering for you, making whatever adjustments it needs to keep the trailer pointed in its original direction, regardless of the angle of the truck itself. That's right, jackknifing is officially a thing of the past. Let's watch that again. Just turn on the system, shift into reverse, toggle into straight path assist mode, and just begin reversing. And just like that, it handles the rest. Amazing. So that's a closer look at the new Trailer Backup Guide system found on the 3rd generation Toyota Tundra. How to register the trailer, calibrate the system, and back up with greater ease than you ever thought possible. For more information on Tundra, be sure to check out the other videos on Toyota's YouTube channel or visit toyota.com/Tundra. Until next time, happy towing!